Hello everybody. Today we're going I-35 in Oklahoma, and it makes me want to sing about Oklahoma, where the wind comes bustling down the plains. You can see that we're definitely in the plains here. There's flat land, a lot of flat land. There's definitely a lot of grasslands, and the whole state kind of looks like this. Actually, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, portions of Texas, the upper portion of Texas, part of Colorado, it all kind of looks like this. The plains states. So anyway, I hope you enjoy seeing this. I-35 runs north and south, comes out of Texas, runs all the way up to, runs up into North Dakota, I believe. But anyway, Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas for sure. But anyway, I'm going to run it on up into Kansas and hit I-70 and then take it on over and go to back to Cheyenne, Wyoming. There you go. Anyway, I had a load that I delivered here in Oklahoma this morning. I finally got some really good luck here where I was able to get out of the Northeast and head down to Georgia. Then I went over to South Carolina and picked up this load that delivered to Oklahoma. And now from Oklahoma, I'm going. By the way, it's 65 degrees right now in Oklahoma. Unbelievable. And I understand it's nice and toasty warm in Wyoming as well. So I'm definitely getting out of the snow. And God's pouring his blessings out on me, because, man, I was tired of the snow. But anyway, Oklahoma it's a beautiful state. A lot of grasslands. It all kind of looks like what you're seeing right here, but I-35 is nice and wide lanes, and it's not a whole lot of traffic on it, so it is a toll road. But anyway, really good. There's two things. If I had a drive-in school where I taught people how to drive, I think that the biggest things that I would teach people is to read all the signs. A lot of people don't read signs, and they'll come up at the last minute and decide that they want their exit was, they're now passing it, and they try to cut over in front of me and get in the exit lane. And man, that's a dangerous situation. I have come so close to doing a pit maneuver on people because they do it to themselves, cutting in front of me so close. The other thing that I'd teach people is how to merge. You have no idea how aggravating it is for people that try to get on in front of me, that they've got it made. All they need to do is put their foot in the gas and just pull in front of me, but and go on and get about their business. But they'll pull up there and then hesitate. I don't know if they're going to eventually pull in front of me or if they're going to slam on brakes. It beats me, but man, I would love to teach people how to merge. But anyway, I'm going to spend the night here at a Indian reservation. It's the K-A-W, Call Nation Casino. They've got a truck stop and a casino. There's actually a casino inside the gas station and the truck stop, but there's another regular casino that I won't go over there, but I did go in the truck stop here. But anyway, you'll see it here in a few minutes where I'm going to spend the night. I don't know where I'm going to go once I get to Cheyenne, Wyoming. Of course, this is going to the Walmart distribution center there in Cheyenne, which I spent about 3 months running loads out of there. So I know everybody there, and I'll be happy to see them. I'm not going to stay this time, but I will definitely enjoy the visit. Probably spend the night there at the distribution center tomorrow, and where they'll send me from there, I do not know. I'm kind of hoping that they send me out to Oregon or Washington State, or maybe to California. Who knows? But anyway, right now, it's, from what I understand, it's fairly decent weather out in Washington and Oregon and Idaho, and it'd be a good time to go out there. So maybe they'll send me that way, and maybe not. Who knows? Anyway, I got to talk to several other drivers today. Some of them were Southeast regional drivers that somehow made it out to Oklahoma. I don't know how they did that, but anyway, you go where they send you. But they were really wanting to get back to the Southeast, and I'm wanting to go anywhere and everywhere. It doesn't matter to me. But I really like the Southwest, Arizona especially, and New Mexico is not bad, but New Mexico, it's not my favorite place. So, but I love Arizona. It's a beautiful state, just absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, reading signs and learning how to merge. If I could teach people how to do that, man, I'd be a lot happier. So I don't think they teach driving anymore. I don't think it's a prerequisite to get your driver's license anymore. I'm not sure of that, but I don't think they have driver's ed in schools anymore. And that's where, by the time I got to driver's ed, I already knew how to drive. My dad had taught me on the back roads of Nassau County, Florida. On dirt roads, he had taught me how to drive and shift gears, and I was a master at shifting gears. And on the column or on the floor, it didn't make any difference. I could drive anywhere by the time I was about 11 years old. There's a long story behind that, but anyway, everybody out there, they taught their kids. Their kids needed to drive from time to time, and the farmers out there, they taught their kids how to drive. You'll notice that this road right here, and I'm fixing to get off on the exit here in a minute, and you'll notice how rough it is. The camera gets a little rough here whenever I pull into this Indian reservation and this truck stop. But anyway, I really appreciate it if you would subscribe. About 75% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribers, and it sure would help if you would hit the subscribe button, hit the like button as well. It gives me some extra perks with YouTube, so I really would appreciate it. It lets me produce better videos. The more subscribers I get, the more things I can do, and the more stuff I can offer on my channel. Anyway, here's the big water tower here for the Indian reservation. You see Call Nation written on that water tower, and I'm going to turn to the right here, and you'll see the truck stop in a minute. Anyway, my driver code with Crete is HODKE. If you're thinking about coming to work for Crete, it's been a really good company. I've made some really good money with them. There's been good spots and bad spots, and if you sign on with them, I promise you that I'll reach out to you and give you my telephone number, and offer you all the assistance that I can as far as how to avoid the pitfalls and how to make the most of your time with Crete. That would have been a real blessing to me to have somebody to help me out whenever I first came on to work with them, and I plan on doing my best. It don't cost you a thing other than to put my name on your application whenever you sign in, and whenever you go through orientation, you get another shot at it there to put my name on the list that I referred you. And of course, it'll put a few dollars in my pocket, and for that money, I'll reach out to you and offer you all the assistance and help that I can. Give you my phone number where you can call me if you need me. But anyway, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you. Like and subscribe. It really helps. It really does. Thank you again. I'll look forward to seeing you soon. If you're out on the road and you see JiggyFly going down the road, be sure and blow your horn and wave at me and let you know that you watch. Thanks again. Bye-bye.